lot of you youngins may not know this. Oh, Watergate, baby. Watergate Hotel. And residential. Fun fact, the Watergate has nice apartments too. So we've done that a few times, and got the Potomac River right over there. Yeah. Oh, and this song that you hear right here by the Blackbirds, baby. Doing it after dark. Rock Creek Park. But so I may have to call my mom, right? Because like what were y'all doing? What were your generation? You better not been participating. But like what were they doing in Rock Creek Park after dark? Look, this is Rock Creek Park, ladies and gentlemen. We're on Rock Creek Park. Now it extends. It extends pretty far out. But we're on Rock Creek Park. What were you doing over here after dark? You up there on the bridge? What we doing? What we doing? All right, y'all. Let's get to it. Headed to Northwest DC this time. So we back uptown real quick. Of course, it's going to take us 45 minutes to go 2 miles, but you know, that's just what it is in DC. Welcome to DC. All right, I know that we on this money-making mission. You know, we still on the journey and the path to 100K. But it's a nice day today, so I figured I'd just share what I'm seeing. You know, we see it every day, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, so right here what we have is we're on Massachusetts Avenue. Wow. But this little stretch that I'm about to make a left turn on is also known as Embassy Row because all of the embassies are along this stretch. Now, I think there are a few sprinkled around on different areas, but most of the embassies are like right along here. So it is pretty cool. So that, you know, you come in town from internationally or whatnot, and I don't know, you get lost. I'm not sure, but you can go to your embassy and they'll help you. Ta-da. Or, which if we're lucky, we may see a protest because, you know, someone's always outside protesting, baby. And don't fact check me. I mean, or you can fact check me. I don't know. I think that's what it is. That's what I was told as a youngin', and my mama, my grandma, she wouldn't lie to me. Mama wouldn't lie to me. You know what I mean? South Africa, you know what I mean? There you go. Nelson Mandela out front, you know what I mean? Freedom fighter. You know what I mean? If I'm lying, I'm flying. And I'm not flying. Especially not in my Prius. All right, and one day I'll be able to show you. I'm not making this right now, but there's a street right here which turns to another street called like Foxhall, something like that. Really beautiful houses. Actually, that's I think Obama and them still have a residence there. It's pretty cool because you can see Secret Service outside and all that good stuff. But it's right down here off of 34th Street. 34th Street Northwest. You go down a little bit, you make a right onto I think it's Foxhall or something like that, and you'll see some cool stuff, but you can't go there. I had a buddy who delivered mail, and they used to have to park the van down at the top of the hill and deliver the mail to the Secret Service. It's crazy. Oh, here's another cheat code if you're in Northwest, because right now Northwest is the only place that has it. There's one spot over off of Pennsylvania Avenue in Southeast that has it, but stop sign cameras, they have stop sign cameras, and the cameras are $100. I know, this is from experience, okay? $100. The speed cameras are $100 in DC. In Maryland, they're $40. I'm not saying speed in Maryland. I'm not saying speed, but you can make a game time decision. In DC, you can't do that. All right, y'all, pulling up now. We have arrived, and here we have a frame TV, baby, a frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and park right here on this corner, knock that out, and we'll touch it in a second. My bad, actually, there's two TVs. One TV is a frame, the other one is just a TV. Let's do it. All right, here, they got frame. Going up here, this is going away. This is going away. All right, first step, you gotta be really careful with this. Show y'all something real cool. Hold on, watch this. Watch. All right, can y'all see that? The blue right there. Look, it grabbed the chain. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You get it. Would you look at that? cold. All right, I think our theme for today is magnets. Magnets. Give me a picture. Yeah. You good. All right, TV2. Right here. I just realized I'm playing with fire again. There I go. Look at this. Y'all see that sign? Shoot. Maybe up here. Okay, there you go. You see it? And look. Boy, if they press like that, if Northwest come get me, boy. Yeah, I forgot to show you the second one, but it wasn't nothing special. All done. So that's gonna be another $350 we had to the kitty. Okay, real quick math. We was at 525, so 350. That's 875. So our daily goal is what? Yeah, 325. So that puts us at approximately 1,237% for the day. My math is correct. If you fact check me out. Hold on, real quick. Remember, I'm on Foxhall. Remember me earlier? I was just telling you about where Obama and them got a residence. Hold on. I'm about to show you. Now, disclaimer: this isn't Obama's house, but this is just to show you kind of like what I'm talking about. Look, it's gated. They don't have no sidewalk. So who are you keeping out? It's crazy. Hold on. This is how you know you're close, because they got a house that's sitting on stilts. I'm not lying. Check this out. Oh my goodness! Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness! All right, here's the neighborhood. It's right here. Oh, I gotta stop here. Deerfield. That's what it's called. Deerfield. That's what it is. Deerfield. Hold on, let me see if I get the street. Oh, right there, Deerfield. Deerfield and Foxhall. Can y'all see that? Deerfield, Foxhall. But anyway, I don't know if this is gonna do it any justice, man, but beautiful houses. Beautiful. Oh, shit, I'm driving by it. Can you see it? Ooh. Okay, we could dream. All right, y'all, on to the next. Let's keep going.